Sounded an explosion of it, now something very burning strongly. Before that there was another explosion. Burning right here on the other side of the bay. But don't get here. And this tank takes. Tanks are burning on the other side. Here you can see. You apparently flew a drone. Because it's cloudy. Clouds, cars, or run away. Suspected Ukrainian drone strike has blown up a major fuel depot in occupied Crimea, causing a huge explosion and massive inferno. Footage shows the sky turning black over the Russian-occupied city of Sevastopol as the smoke rises from the enormous blaze. The blast happened at 4:20 and 4:21 a.m. on Saturday morning as 7 fuel tanks are believed to have gone up in flames.
А сюда хоть не долетит? А, это цистерны горят. Цистерны горят на той стороне. Вот видно.
Еще бахнет.
И беспилотник долетел, видимо.
By the way, are you familiar TalkTalk Philippines app? TalkTalk is a delivery service app designed to connect more people by delivering items door to door. For more information, download the TalkTalk app, here down below.